Okay, here's the video showing probably my last glitch because I'm like really bored. I'll only play online now, and this one just happens to be online. So, okay, most of you know the taunting glitch thing. Yeah. Well, I don't know if anyone's tried it before, but do it with when you're in first person mode. And yeah, you go different places. Now, I'm inside the island escape top tower thing. And there, see? Sometimes when you do it, you can actually get on top of it. So, I guess that's it. Oh, you can use this in other places. Danger Valley. This is a pretty good example of how this first person glitch works. Go here and do the taunting glitch. You jump up, but you won't go all the way through. If you go in your first person mode and do it, you always go to the top. Always. Helps out a lot. This just beats the crap out of Zell Hazard's glitch where he gets on top of the dome, because even though I found it, doesn't really matter, but instead of having to go to a special spot, you can just do this and you get on top. That's like ownage compared to his. So forget you, man. Just kidding. Okay, alright. Oh crap, let me just... There. Alright. Oops. Anyways, alright, I'm at Mega Cannons. This glitch is kinda useful here. If you want to get behind, you can just do it anywhere. Just go into first person. Oh crap, you can see me there. Yeah, you can't see me anymore. And you fall over. I wasn't looking at the screen, so... I'll try it again. Okay. And this is a lot easier. There you go. And there we go. Oh crap. Well, you can do that, okay? Yeah. Experiment, I guess. Do whatever the hell you want with the glitch. Oh crap, I wasn't supposed to say that. Oh, Zell Hazard wants this. Just let me know. That's Clan X chat. Best place to be. Zell Hazard slapping and meowing everyone. You are in vid. See that? You are in vid. Yeah. Okay. There's more to do than just Mega Cannons, but you guys will probably find it anyways, so yeah.